How are you? I hope you all are having a marvelous Saturday morning, such as I. I got up this morning, you guys. I went for my 3 mile walk, and after I finished my 3 mile walk, I went outside on my patio and I did some arm exercises with my weights, and then I decided to come in and share with you all what I purchased. So, last month I did my measurements for the first time of actually being on my journey, my weight loss journey. And several of you comment in the comments telling me that they had different types of ways for me to actually do my measurements. And one person in particular stated that there was an electronic measurement tape that I can purchase to help me with my tape measures, because some people would help me with my measurements. Some people was telling me in my comments that I was measuring wrong in the wrong areas or something like that, and then somebody said, "Oh, you forgot to get the hip." It's something I can't remember, but yeah. Anyway, with that being said, one of the young ladies told me, I can go on Amazon and look for a tape measure that was electronic, but she didn't tell me any name or, any brand. So I went on Amazon and I found this one right here by, Renpho. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. So let me get a little closer so you guys can see it. So I decided to purchase this one. I believe it was $39.99, I believe. I will put the link to my Amazon store in the description box so that you can purchase it if you like, using my link so that I can get a commission. I would really appreciate that. But I ordered this one. And the reason for ordering this one is because I do have a scale that is with this same brand. I don't really use that scale because when I get on it, it makes me 2 pounds heavier than my doctor's office scale. So the scale that I normally use only makes me 1 pound heavier than my doctor's office scale. So I don't really use this one, but when I get on the scale that's made by Renpho, it automatically sends my weight every time I get on it to the app that's on my phone. But I deleted the app from my phone, but I'm sure I can just download it back with no problem. And all my information probably is still in there. But anyway, when you have that app, you can automatically get your measurements as well as your weight and everything included into one app, the same app, and it would give you graphs, showing your progression. So I'm thinking about maybe going ahead and redoing that app so that I'll have all of those things to make it easier for me to track. With that being said, you guys, I did notice that this gives you a full body analysis with 12 composition indexes, which meaning that there were more areas for me to measure that I did not measure when I shared with you all the last time. So let's see. Let's just kind of compare real quick. So when I measured the first time, I did the neck, the waist, the bust, arms, thighs, and calf. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. So there's 3 that I did not do. So looking at this, I can tell you right now, I did not do the shoulder. I did not do the hip. And I'm not sure if I did the waist because I didn't know that the waist and the abdomen was different. Because according to this, it's a different measurement for the waist than it is for the abdomen. So I don't know, you guys. I'm going to try it and see. And also on here, it is Bluetooth and you can have unlimited users. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, you guys. It includes, let's see, it includes the batteries. I may have to put the batteries in here. So I went ahead and got the batteries. It says on here 3 AAA batteries. So I got 3 AAA batteries for me to add to it if need be. Because a lot of items don't come with batteries, so you have to put your own. But there are sometimes you can order things and they do come with the batteries, so we'll see. And it comes with the batteries, you guys. Yeah, that's neat. So I can put my batteries back. So this is what it looked like. It's one piece. And it has the 3 batteries. So on the back it says, remove this film before use. To turn on the device, press any button or pull out the tape. Okay. Short press to switch modes. Long press for 3 seconds to turn off the device. Short press to confirm your measurements. Long press for 3 seconds to save the measurements. Okay. I am going to go ahead and put the batteries in. And those, oh, here it is. I'm going to say, there's no instruction manual. Yeah, there is a manual right here. With all the important safety instructions, what's in the box, all those type of things. So I do know I will need to download the app. So I am going to go ahead and put the batteries in, and I'm going to download the app to my phone. Okay, you guys, I have went ahead and downloaded the app, and after I put in my email address, my weight, my height, and everything that it asked me to after downloading the app, this is what it looks like. Hope y'all can see it really well. So it is ready for me to start doing some measurements. And as you can see, it has on there all the different 12 components or locations of the body that it would like for me to measure. So let's get started. This is fun. Okay, so so yeah, all those body parts on there, all those areas for us to go ahead and start measuring. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. On the back here, you see it has your power button and your up and down buttons. The button for you to save things as well is right here. Let me remove this film. Make it easier for me to see what I'm doing. Place this right here. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead and I guess do what it's asking for me to do. And it's saying, first, it's pointing at the neck. If y'all can see it, it wants me to start measuring my neck first. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay. So from my understanding, oh, let me show y'all this part. And this is what it looks like here. It also has the image of a body on there. And you see those arrows, green arrows pointing to the neck. So we're going to retract this like so. And we're measuring in centimeters and not, no, I'm going to do it in inches and not centimeters. As you can see, it shows you inches on here. So we're going to do inches. Retract it. I'm doing it slow, y'all. I don't want to choke myself. See, it has it. Make sure I got it right. With no twists. Every time I push the button, it goes in. And it goes down some. Make sure I got it right. It's at 18.63 inches. 18.63 inches. And so I'm going to take it off. Oops. I saw it went in somewhere. Oh, okay, guys. It's tightening up. It's at 18.15 inches. And we're going to push the button to save it. And you got to be careful with this save thing, because when you click it more than one time, it jumps over to the next body part. We don't want that. The next body part is the shoulder. Okay. Make sure we got it on the shoulder. Got it on the shoulder. Yeah. And I'm going to press the button to retract it. And it's on both of my shoulders, and we're at 51.56. Can y'all see it? So I gotta be careful with this save button, because it jumps big time. Okay, now it went to biceps. Let's go ahead and do the right bicep. So what I see with this, you got to be careful when you hit that save. Don't click it more than twice because it'll jump to the next body area. You don't want to mess yourself up. Mess up your data. Okay. So let's measure this right bicep. Thing keep coming loose. Oh, this is magnetic. Interesting. So it's not real tight because you can see there's still a little room there. Trying to get it tight. It's not really going in as much. There it goes. $24.13. Oh, 24.10. So we're going to hit save. And that saved it. Now it's going to the left bicep. So let's do the left bicep. I think this one was like 22 inches. I think the last time we did it, right? 21, something like that. Let's retract that. Okay, this one is at 21.91. Y'all can see it. I'm gonna save it. Okay, so now we're on the chest area, which a lot of us women calls it the bust. The bust area. Over our breast. And let's lock it in. Make sure it's not twisted. And look like I am at 52 point. Oops, let's see, it dropped from 7. There it goes. Oh, had a little give in it. 50.33. Y'all can see it. 50.33. Oh no, wait. When I moved it, it kind of went up. Okay, 50.45. So we are going to hit save. Okay. Now it's telling me to do the waist, and the waist is like up here. I used to measure the waist down here by the belly button, so I was doing it wrong. I guess that was the stomach area, the abdomen that I was measuring. So the waist is like right here at the top part. Okay. So my measurements was wrong, you guys, last month. So now I'm getting right, accurate measurements. So thank you so much to the ladies that commented telling me that. So now I know when I order clothes, I have my correct measurements. And here it's saying 47.89. Can y'all see it? 47.89. Oh, well, it changed to 47.90. Oh, wait, it's a little bit of give in this. It's going in some more, you guys. I had to move it around some. So it's 47.33 is where it ended up. So let's hit save. Okay. So I clicked it twice and it measured it for the abdomen as well. Let me show y'all. When I double clicked it, it put the measurement in the waist and the abdomen. So be careful with that. So now I'm going to have to measure the abdomen. So be careful with your clicking, y'all. That's the only thing I can say I don't like with this. You got to watch your clicking. Okay, so now the abdomen is the belly button. That's the area that I had been measuring. Okay. And I knew this was going to be about 53 inches or so. So let's see. All right. Make sure my clothes ain't bunched up. Okay. This is right at 52.76. Hope y'all can see it. 52.76. Let's save it. There it goes. So it's like you click it one time and then you click it again to confirm it, which is saving it. Now it says the hip. This is the measurement that I did not do the last time. And I had several people say, oh, you forgot to measure your hip. So thank you all so very much for that. I really appreciate you guys. Let's see. Make sure I do this right. So it's about here. And I like this app because it shows you directly on the diagram where you should place the tape. Oops, it dropped down once I started retracting. When it's twisted, you guys, it would not retract. That's what I'm noticing. Okay, there it goes. Okay, look like we're at 55.89. 55.3. Well, when I stand up, it went in a little bit more. Okay, let me stand up straight. Okay. I dropped down a little bit, y'all. I'm supposed to be up here. There we go. $55.67. 55.57, I'm sorry, is where it's at. And it seemed like when I bent down, it retracted and pushed it out. So it's stopping at 55.2. I am going to go ahead and hit save at 55.44. It seems like the more I move, y'all, it moves on me. Okay. So it's at 55.49. I'm going to do the right thigh. Okay, let's get this. Right thigh. Yeah, right thigh. It's on the right thigh. Right thigh. Let's retract. And they did it like in the middle of the thigh. Keep dropping on it. Hold it still. There it goes. And this bad baby say 36, 35, 35.57. Okay. 35.57. Let's do the left thigh. And it automatically, you guys, moves down to the next. Oops, sorry. It automatically moves to the next body part once you hit save. So be careful. Make sure you're not saving on the wrong part. Okay. And this one says 35.52. It's still going in. Hold on. 34.86. I don't know why my right side of my body is bigger than my left side. Probably just my dominant side. I don't know. But let's save it. Alright. Now we have the left calf and right calf left. I got some big old calves. My daddy had them big old calves. My brother got big old calves. Yeah. And we're at 25.30. 20. It said 25.30, but then when I moved it went up, so let me do it again. 24.83 is what I'm looking at. Let's see. 24.83. And now, last but not least, the left calf. You have to make sure it's not twisted, y'all. I keep twisting it up. Oh, let me put it over here so I can see it better. Just making sure everything is matching up. And I got it twisted. There it goes. I got it twisted, y'all. Let me redo it. Okay, here it goes. You gotta be careful, y'all, because if you twist this thing, it would not retract. Okay, let me put it this way. Okay, there we go. You got to be careful, y'all, because this thing will not stay in right. You have to keep holding on to it. You pull it too much, it'll come out. There it goes. So this is at 25.15. Save. 25.15. Now, let me save all my measurements. I'm going to hit save. You've already measured 12 parts. Do you want to continue measuring? No, I want to save. You've modified 12 pieces of data this time. Successfully saved. Hit confirm. Confirm. Okay, so let's run through the measurements. My neck was 18.15 inches. My shoulder, 51.56 inches. Biceps, 21.91 inches on my left. Right bicep, 24.11 inches. Chest, 50.45 inches. Waist, 47.33 inches. Abdomen, 52.75 inches. Hip, 55.4 inches. Left thigh, 34.86 inches. Right thigh, 35.57 inches. Left calf, 25.15 inches. Right calf, 24.83 inches. So those are my measurements, you guys. I am going to compare them to the measurements I did last month. But I don't know, because I had a different type of measuring tape and I wasn't measuring the correct spot. So yeah, we're not going to compare. But I do know I was measuring my chest correctly the last time. And my thighs, my calf, and my biceps, I was measuring them correctly. But according to this, I wasn't doing, and I did my abdomen correctly. So I didn't have waist the last time. I did not have hip or the shoulder. So those are the three areas that I did not do the last time. Shoulder, waist, and hip. So let's see. With this electronic measuring tapes, you guys, and the using the app, it shows that my neck was 18.15. Last month it showed 18, but I did not use the electronic measuring tape, and I didn't measure in the correct spot. This shows me the correct spot. Okay, so according to this, I had my stomach and my bust were both 49 inches. My stomach was 49.5 and my bust was 49. So let's take a look at the app and see what the app is saying. So the app is saying, it's saying that my bust was 50.45, so it went up a little bit. I don't know, maybe I wasn't measuring the correct spot. I don't know, but it went up 1 inch according to this. And according to this, my stomach is 52.75, and I said 49 the last time. So that just go to show y'all I wasn't doing things right. This showed me the correct way, the correct spot on how to measure things. So I'm just gonna go by the app. I'm not gonna go by the data that I had from last time, because it seems like it's off, like I wasn't doing things right. Yeah, because see, my arms was 21. My left arm was 21 inches. My right arm was 21.5. The app is showing much larger. So yeah, the app showed me the correct spot to actually measure, because the app showing this one not 21 but 21.91, and it's showing this one 24.11. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with the app. That way I can make sure that I am measuring the correct way. So I really appreciate you ladies that, you know, told me, hey Twan, there's an electronic one, because not only it being electronic, but it shows me the right location on each body part to do by measurement. So I like this, y'all. I would definitely say it's worth the money. They did have some that was cheaper, but I went with this one because I have a scale with this brand already. So that was my choice for going with this one. And then I like that it had a larger face on it where you can actually see the data larger. So your choice, but I will leave the link to this one in the description box if you choose to order it. Yeah, so with that being said, you guys, that's all I have for you guys right now. Thank you so much for joining Traces of Twan's Life. I really appreciate you all. Have a God bless day.